Here is the amazing platform which today we are going to discuss, and this is called VaultX. Also known as WEX, is a cutting-edge decentralized financial ecosystem. It's built with the vision of providing AI-powered vault creation, smart contract management, and passive earning opportunities. Whether you are a creator, investor, or a crypto-savvy enthusiast, WEX opens the door to simplify and secure DeFi experiences. Here, what makes Vault X truly stand out, its features are as under AI-driven vault creation and create smart vaults with a just few clicks using built-in AI intelligence, secure and transparent smart contracts, no code deployment, fully auditable and on-chain, decentralized governance and yield optimization tools, NFT and asset integration, multi-chain support, user dashboard analytics, referral and incentive program. So these are the amazing features which are being given by the Vault X. You mean here you can also check the VAX lending feature, that is consolidated annual priced profit. And here you can check 380% through intelligent algorithms. The deposit and the lending rates are automatically optimized so that the ordinary users can also obtain institutional level income. And the next is the VAX liquidity. Here you can check consolidated annualized profit is consisting of from 1200 to 1500%, and VEX reconstructs the liquidity management model through innovative mechanism, creating a solution for participants that combines high returns with strong risk control. And the next is the VEX arbitrage. Consolidated annualized profit is from 2350% to 2735%. VEX build a systematic revenue capture network for investors through an AI driven high frequency arbitrage engine. So here you can check that participation MIR is 15 to 13%, and here you can check the VEX liquidity participate MIR is 24 to 36%, and here you can check the participate MIR of the VEX arbitrage is 30 to 45%, and here you can check the social media communities links are available, and all the links are being given in the description of the video. Let's talk about the white paper which outlines the mission, architecture, tokenomics, and future roadmap of VaultX. VaultX is designed to solve the fragmentation and DeFi tools. It produces an AI-powered modular system where users can create, manage, and deploy vaults without writing any code. And here you can check the company overview and rise trajectory. And here you can check SERC Capital Group Capital joined in the new era of digital finance, launching VaultX. And here you can check that in 2024 has become a key turning point in the development of SERC Capital Group as US President Donald Trump announced his support for cryptocurrency and accepted digital asset campaign donations. SERC Capital Group has keenly captured this change in political direction. The company has hired a number of economic advisors who have participated in Donald Trump's administration to join its strategic committee and has established in-depth cooperation with important Republicans. The series of measures has enabled SERC Capital Group to accumulate significant political influence in short period of time, providing SERC Capital Group with unique advantages in the layout of the digital currency market. So here you can check the SERC Capital Group organizational setup. You can check the core departments are 3, and here you can check that talent strategy 2, and here you can check 50 billions of dollars in asset under management. And here you can make a quick contact us through Twitter and through Telegram and through email and through YouTube. And here you can check that the links has been provided, and here you can check the contact us through email, through Twitter, through Telegram and YouTube, and later I will explain. And here is the YouTube group. So here you can check that the US. So here you can check the funds from high net worth individuals who are Donald Trump supporters are pouring in an increased demand for digital asset allocation by institutional investors. Excellent return from the company's free investment strategy. So this is the white paper of the Vault X, and I would suggest to all my viewers to read and find the details of the Vault X. Joining Vault X is super simple and quick. Go to the official website and register here. Here you can set up your wallet connection, and here you can see that you can select wallet. Here is Quantum Wallet, Phantom Wallet, and MetaMask wallet available. I am trying to connect my Phantom Wallet, and here you can see that Phantom Wallet appears on the screen. And first of all, you will have to connect your wallet and unlock the wallet. So first of all, we will have to unlock our wallet, and here you can see. So after putting your password, you will unlock your wallet and then you will have to connect it. So connect the wallet. So dear viewers, the official Telegram group is where all action happens. Get real-time updates, ask questions, connect with the devs, and a part of the VAX revolution. Join the Telegram community of VaultX. And here is the official Twitter page of VaultX. Stay ahead of the curve by following VAX on Twitter. You will get early announcements, airdrops, feature sneak peek and valuable community insights. Follow the official page of VaultX on Twitter, and here is the YouTube channel of the VaultX. You can get latest information and you can hear fun, and you can here also see the launching ceremony and other important details from the YouTube channel of the VaultX. So I would suggest to all my viewers to follow and join these social media communities. And now I will conclude. VaultX is the kind of platform that truly redefines how we interact with DeFi, combining ease, securely, and intelligence. Whether you are a creator, investor, or just crypto curious, VaultX deserve your attention. Don't miss this chance to be part of game-changing DeFi ecosystem. Check out all the links in the description. This is Crypto Review, bringing you the future one block at a time. At the end, I would suggest to all my viewers to say that please do your own research before investment. This video is being made only for the information. Thank you for watching the video. Go